Now, news coming in from Haryana, where former Haryana Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda is at the governor's house and they are demanding the dismissal of the BJP government. So, political crisis, they're escalating with the Congress, in its efforts to oust the BJP government led by Nayab Saini. This following the BJP loss of majority after 3 independent MLAs withdrew their support. Let's go across to Gurpreet for more on this. Gurpreet, tell us what's happening.
Well, we can see these visuals from Haryana Governor House. We can see the former Chief Minister of Haryana, Bhupinder Singh Hooda, along with his own, all the Congress netas. They have just gone inside to just give the memorandum to Haryana Governor, because we have seen this political crisis is already ongoing. They are saying BJP government is not having number at this point of time. We have a Congress spokesperson with us. We will talk to him to understand आपके पास कितने नंबर है, कैसे आप ये बार-बार कह रहे हैं कि डिसमिस की जाए, दोबारा से इलेक्शन हो।
देखिए, भाजपा के पास 87 का अभी हाउस है। 87 के हाउस में उनके पास 41 बीजेपी के हैं, एक इंडिपेंडेंट विधायक है नैनपाल रावत और एक एचएलपी के विधायक है गोपाल कांडा। ये उनके पास 43 हैं और जो विपक्ष में है वो हैं 44, जिसके बीच में 29 जो हैं वो कांग्रेस के हैं और उसके साथ 3 इंडिपेंडेंट जिन्होंने समर्थन दे दिया कांग्रेस को, और उसके साथ एक अभय चौटाला है, एक बलराज कुंडू है और 10 जेजेपी के विधायक हैं। ये टोटल मिलके हो जाते हैं 44। तो हम ओपोजिशन में 44 हैं और जो सत्ता पक्ष में पार्टी है जो कि इस समय अल्पमत में है, उनके पास 43 है। तो ये बात जो है वो अल्पमत में है सरकार। इसी बात के लिए हमने गवर्नर साहब को मेमोरेंडम पहले भी दिया था और आज भी दे रहे हैं कि इस अपने विवेक पे वो फैसला लें और ये अल्पमत में सरकार है, इसको निरस्त करने का काम करें और राष्ट्रपति शासन लगाएं और चुनाव कराएं फ्रेश।
So well, we can see here we have seen the Congress netas. They are quite confident. They have a number. They have been demanding that governor should intervene into this matter and the government should immediately be dismissed and there should be re-election. So let's see that how the Haryana governor is going to take a call on the memorandum which is being submitted by the former chief minister along with his other Congress netas. Here once again I'll request my Vijay to show all these visuals from the ground, what is happening at this point of time. We have seen all the Congress leaders, they have just gone inside, and this political crisis, this is in between the Lok Sabha also. We have seen the JJP leader Dushyant Chautala, he has already written a letter to the Haryana governor. We have seen Abhay Singh Chautala, he has also given a letter to Haryana governor, and the Congress neta, the former chief minister of Haryana Bhupinder Singh Hooda, he has also written a letter to governor saying that there is need to check that the government, whether the BJP government has number or not. And so many times we have seen this controversy has already been erupted. So today again the delegation has gone inside. The former chief minister of Haryana Bhupinder Singh Hooda has already gone inside. So let's see that how the things are going to be unfolded, because we all know the election in Haryana is going to be happen in the last month of this year. Back to studio.